Let's make this creamy chicken thigh tikka that's simple, juicy, and high protein. Start with 20 grams of fresh cream. Now the fresh cream only has 2.5 grams of fat per 10 gram. So 20 grams has 5 grams of fat. There is no oil in this recipe, just this cream. And then 25 grams of mozzarella cheese. One spoon of curd, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon cumin powder, 6-7 black pepper whole, and finally cardamom powder or seeds, whatever you have. Now let's blend it all to form our marinade. Now we'll take 250 grams of boneless chicken thighs and pour that marinade on it. Now we have to rub it well. Give these thighs all the love that they deserve. Now let it rest for a bit if you have time, or else straight to the oven. Before baking, gently insert skewer through each piece just to keep them steady and make handling easy. Preheat the oven at 220 degrees Celsius and bake them for just 12 minutes. Okay, now let's see how it looks. This is so good.